Hi, welcome to the next video of Section 2, Indexing and Tagging. In the previous video, we learned about adding a built-in functionality. So let's move on to the topic. In this video, we'll see about indexing and tagging. Though we managed to leverage some built-in functionality to gain a quick advantage, we need more control over the text area so that we can bend it to our will. This will require the ability to target each character or location of the text with precision. We will need to know the exact position of each character, the cursor, or the selected area in order to do anything with the contents of the editor. The text widget offers us the ability to manipulate its content using index, tags, and mark, which lets us target a position or place within the text area for manipulation. Indexing helps you target a particular place within a piece of text. For example, if you want to mark a particular word in bold, red, or in a different font size, you can do so if you know the index of the starting point and the index of the end point that needs to be targeted. The index must be specified in one of the formats which we will see here. x.y. This refers to the character at row X and column Y. At x, y. This refers to the character that covers the x-y coordinate within the text's window. End. This refers to the end of the text. Mark. This refers to the character after a named mark. Tag.first. This refers to the first character in the text that has been tagged with a given tag. Tag.last. This refers to the last character in the text that has been tagged with a given tag. Selection. Cell _first, cell _last. This corresponds to the current selection. The cell _first and cell _last constants refer to the start position and end position in the selection. tk-enter raises a TCL error exception if there is no selection. Window _name. This refers to the position of the embedded window named window _name. Image _name. This refers to the position of the embedded image named image _name. Insert. This refers to the position of the insertion cursor. Current. This refers to the position of the character that is closest to the mouse pointer. Note a small quirk here. The counting of rows in a text widget starts at 1, while the counting of columns starts at 0. Therefore, the index for the starting position of the text widget is 1.0, that is, row number 1 and column number 0. An index can be further manipulated by using modifiers and submodifiers. Some examples of modifiers and submodifiers are as follows. End-1 cars or end-1c. This refers to the index of the character before the 1 at the end. Insert +5 lines. This refers to the index of 5 lines ahead of the insertion cursor. Insert word start -1c. This refers to the character just before the first one in a word containing the insertion cursor. End line start. This refers to the index of the line start of the end line. Indexes are often used as arguments to functions. Refer to this list to have a look at some examples. my_text.delete 1.0, end. This means that you can delete from line 1, column 0, until the end. my_text.get 1.0, end. This gets the content from 1.0, beginning, until the end. my_text.delete insert -1c, insert. This deletes a character at the insertion cursor. Tags are used to annotate text with an identification string that can then be used to manipulate the tagged text. tk-enter has a built-in tag called cell, which is automatically applied to the selected text. In addition to cell, you can define your own tags. A text range can be associated with multiple tags, and the same tag can be used for many different text ranges. Some examples of tagging are as: you can specify the visual style for a given tag with tag You can specify the visual style for a given tag with tag_config using options such as. For a complete reference of text indexing and tagging, type this command into the Python interactive shell. Equipped with a basic understanding of indexing and tagging, let's implement some more features in the code editor. Awesome! In this video, we successfully learned about indexing and tagging. Hope you enjoy watching this video. In the next video, we'll learn how to implement the Select All feature.